Michael Rockefeller's story is one of those tales that's equal parts mystery, history, and a lesson in ethics. Let me take you back to 1961. Michael Rockefeller was the son of a very famous and very rich American family. Instead of following in his family's footsteps, he set out for adventure, traveling all the way to the remote jungles of Papua New Guinea, to an island called New Guinea. He was fascinated by the Asmat people, an indigenous group known for their unique wood carvings and a culture that until then was barely touched by the outside world. Michael wanted to collect art, but also to document their way of life. But here's where things get complicated. On November 17, 1961, Michael's boat capsized off the coast. While his companion waited for rescue, Michael tried to swim for help. He was never seen again. Rumors and theories exploded. Some say he drowned, others claim he was killed by the local Asmat, who had reasons to distrust outsiders, especially after violent colonial encounters. For decades, no one really knew what happened. The mystery lingered, and so did the ethical questions. Why was Michael there? Was it just for adventure, or was he genuinely interested in learning about the Asmat? And even more importantly, did his presence, and the way he interacted with the community, respect their traditions and autonomy? See, here's the thing. When researchers, anthropologists, or even collectors like Michael enter someone else's world, the stakes are high. If you're not careful, you could exploit people, steal their cultural treasures, or misunderstand their way of life. The Asmat, for example, had suffered under colonial rule, and outsiders represented a threat. Research ethics means asking, am I respecting the people I study? Am I making sure they understand what I'm doing, and do they consent? Michael Rockefeller's disappearance is still unsolved, but his story reminds us the pursuit of knowledge isn't just about what you learn, it's about how you learn it. If you want to be a researcher, or even just an explorer, you have to balance curiosity with responsibility. Remember, the world is full of mysteries, and it's our job to approach them with open minds and open hearts. Thanks for exploring with me.